12 tips to achieve your New Year's resolutions in 2021. On January 1, everyone seems to have an idea of how they want their new year to look, from healthier habits to learning new skills. But we've all made New Year's resolutions that we've quickly broken. When we slip back into our usual routine after that fresh New Year feeling, it's hard to stick to the commitments we've made for ourselves. If you want 2021 to be the year that you make and keep your resolutions, you need a strategy to hold yourself accountable. So, we asked a panel of Forbes Coaches Council members to give you their best tips for sticking to your New Year's resolutions. Here they are. Number 1, write it down on paper. It has been proven in studies that the process of writing down by hand your goals, aims, or resolutions will make you more likely to achieve them. Indeed, a study by the Dominican University in California concluded that 42% more likely were you going to be if you wrote down your goals. Number 2, make it fun. Add some spirit to your 2021 goals. You probably know that goals should be specific and time-bound, yet goals are a joy to achieve when you are playful at attaining them. Reward yourself with prizes at significant goalposts. Make goals inspiring and fun to accomplish. Review your goals often, checking in that you still want to achieve this goal. Enjoy the journey and success. Make new weeks, not New Year's resolutions. Making New Year's resolutions can seem appealing, but to commit to something year-long is a huge undertaking. And the disappointment of not meeting it can weigh heavy since it implies that you quickly failed. A better approach is to make commitments weekly or monthly or quarterly. This might include renewing commitments from previous weeks. Not meeting a weekly commitment will amount to just a blip of a setback. Number 4, skip resolutions and make declarations. Traditional resolutions tend to fall apart before January ends. Instead, make 3 life or career-changing declarations for 2021. For example, my body fat percentage will be X. I will close the largest deal of my career. Or, I will learn to play the piano. The themes matter little as long as they fit your appetite for learning, growth, and adventure. Declare them clearly. Number 5, create a vision board. One of the best ways to really crystallize your New Year's resolutions is to create a vision board. Start by collecting images and words that represent what you'd like to achieve and how you'd like to feel. Put these together into a collage. Then sit back and truly connect to the vision you have for yourself. Put your vision board somewhere where you can see it every day, then make it happen. Number 6, prepare yourself for change. In studying readiness for change for many years, it is clear that the number one reason resolutions don't stick is that people don't do the work to prepare themselves for the change. Lasting change doesn't happen until your mind is ready, which includes seeing more pros to change than cons. This takes mental work. Lasting change doesn't happen when you just make yourself do something different. Number 7, make your goals incremental. Many know to make a SMART goal, S-M-A-R-T. Go one step further and make it incremental. It's helpful to have smaller milestones to spur regular action, limit procrastination, and measure progress. Rather than eat lunch with 10 people in the corporate department in the next 6 months, define the goal as eat lunch with 2 people in the corporate department each month for the next 6 months. Number 8, pay attention to your limited thinking. Focusing on your goals is an important part of meeting your goals. The second and much less common part is focusing on competing commitments. We consciously commit to our resolutions like growing the business, and at the same time, we are unconsciously committed to avoiding rejection. This competing commitment can derail our ability to accomplish our resolutions. Number 9, evaluate your habits. Resolutions rarely work because we have a tendency to focus on the big goal itself and neglect to focus on the actions you must take to reach that goal. Whenever you embark on a new goal or vision, you must first evaluate which habits you need to change or acquire to achieve success. Regardless of what you want to achieve, if you don't focus on what it takes to get there, you never will. Number 10, create a team of accountability partners. I have a small group of trusted friends and colleagues with whom I meet regularly. We start off the year sharing resolutions, goals, and strategy plans. Each month, we keep each other accountable and on track towards achieving milestones towards our plans. The combination of groupthink, coaching, and the occasional kick in the rear is extremely powerful and inspiring. Number 11, set goals that align with your everyday life. Resolutions are nice to have, but they are often not accomplished because we are too busy with other things. A good way to ensure you get them done is to turn them into written goals that are exclusively yours and in harmony with your everyday life. Additionally, ensure these goals are specific and written in a positive tone. Make them so that you can measure and attain them. Number 12, map it out and take action. You wouldn't have been given the dream if you didn't have the power to move it into today. Sit down, map it out, find resources, and take action. You can always perfect the plan as you go. Thanks for joining in on this episode. I hope it helps you. And take a moment to subscribe so you don't miss out on what comes next.